Another press creates the floor beams. A long strip of silver alloy is bent into a complex I-beam.
The floor section is lowered into the jig. It locks into place with a satisfying mechanical clunk. This is the foundation of the fuselage.
A second layer of white paint is applied to the fuselage.
Transition to the engine build area. A massive titanium central shaft is mounted vertically on a rotating stand. It is the spine of the jet engine.
The high-pressure compressor section is built up, layer by layer. It resembles a complex metallic...
The combustion chamber is lowered over the shaft. It is a ring of heat-resistant alloy, perforated with cooling holes.
The fan case is installed around the huge blades. It is lined with acoustic material to dampen the sound.
The Engine Control Unit, or EEC, is mounted to the fan case. This computer will manage the engine's performance.
The thrust reverser doors are fitted to the side of the engine. They are white and blend seamlessly with the cowling.
The engines are wrapped in protective plastic for their journey to the final assembly line. The brake units are mounted onto the landing gear axles. The fit is tight and precise. The wheels are attached to the landing gear bogies. Slow and steady. We are almost there.
Confirmation lights are green across the board.
Automated bolts are driven into the wing-to-body fairing area, securing the wings to the fuselage forever.
The crane releases the weight. The aircraft now stands on its own black landing gear. It looks like a real plane for the first time.
The APU, WAN, auxiliary power unit exhaust port is fitted to the very tip of the tail.
The leading edge slats are attached to the front of the wings. They are polished silver metal, contrasting with the white wing.
The trailing edge flaps are mounted. These massive white panels will extend to increase lift.
The ailerons are attached to the outer wings. They control the roll. White, smooth, and balanced.
The rudder is attached to the vertical stabilizer. It is a huge white panel that steers the plane.
The elevators are attached to the horizontal stabilizers. They control the pitch.
The landing gear doors are installed. They are white on the outside, complex structure on the inside.
The gear door linkage is connected. Metal rods ensure the doors open when the gear drops. The static wicks are installed on the trailing edges of the wings. They look like small black antennas.
The pitot tubes are installed near the nose. These copper/chrome probes measure airspeed.
External assembly is largely complete. The drone circles the white aircraft. It is a clean, aerodynamic sculpture.
The cockpit wiring is installed. It is the most dense area of cables, converging behind the instrument panel. Grounding points are secured to the aluminum frame.
Metal-to-metal contact is essential for safety. The battery banks are installed in the electronics bay. Heavy blue boxes with warning labels. Sensors for the smoke detection system are mounted in the cargo hold ceiling. Wiring chases are covered with protective guards to prevent chafing.
The cockpit instrument panel frame is bolted in. It is a skeleton waiting for screens.
Data cables for the black box are routed to the tail section.
The flight data recorder itself is installed. It is actually bright orange, not black.
The wiring phase concludes with a system-wide continuity check. Computers screen for open circuits.
This is an automated announcement. The 777 fuselage is in transit to the next assembly station. Please maintain a safe distance.
The floor panels are screwed into the beams. The cabin floor becomes a flat, continuous surface.
Hydraulic lines for the control surfaces are routed through the mid-body. Stainless steel tubes.
Oxygen generators and masks are installed in the overhead service units breaker. Galley floor mats are installed. Hard-wearing non-slip surfaces for the kitchen areas.
The fire suppression bottles for the engines are installed in the wing root area. Red spheres.
Bilge pumps are fitted in the lowest point of the fuselage to remove condensation.
The radar bulkhead is insulated. The nose area is sealed off from the cockpit.
All right, slide it in slowly.
Okay, it's seated.
Okay. Secure the clamps.
The control yokes are installed. The pilot's connection to the plane. They are gray with black grips.
The throttle quadrant is installed in the center console. Levers for the two massive engines.
The pilot seats are installed. Sheepskin covers. Highly adjustable 5-point harnesses.
First-class suites are installed in the nose section. Luxurious materials, wood trim, large screens.
External landing lights are fitted into the wing roots. They are incredibly powerful LEDs.
The navigation lights, RO, red and green, are installed on the wingtips.
Fuel system integrity check initiated. Pressure holding steady.
Acknowledged. Data logged as successful.
Hydraulic fluid fill. The systems are pressurized. Control surfaces twitch as they wake up.
The cockpit overhead escape hatch is verified and closed. Life jackets are verified under every seat. The main cabin door is closed and latched. The seal is tight.
Check the alignment right here near the cowling.
Looks good. Tolerances are within spec.